Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com, another special episode where I'm broadcasting live on Periscope. Make sure you guys check it out. I got Rami back there. How's it going, Rami?
Good.
My videographer, you're here for 12 hours today.
Yes.
Right?
Actually 14.
14 hours.
Yes.
Awesome. Alright. Good job. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Alright, so today's question is from someone who just got hired as a study coordinator. It's actually a timely question, and it's good that you're here, Rami. Rami's also one of our study coordinators. So this person just got hired at a site to replace someone else who's a coordinator, and they're asking what are the most important things they should focus on like that first week. It's an ongoing study. The old coordinator left, he's the new coordinator. So the first thing obviously is to get to know which patients are active and which patients are not active anymore. So which patients still have ongoing visits and which ones don't. The ones that don't, you can put them to the side for now, like the screen failures or the ones who completed. Those are important. You're eventually going to have to you'll eventually get queries there, probably in the EDC as well, but you can let the monitor take care of that. You right now need to make sure that you're taking care of what's important, what's most important at this moment, which is the ongoing patient visits. Especially patients who are already receiving investigational product. So you want to make sure that their scheduled appointments, first of all, are scheduled, because a lot of times coordinators who leave forget to schedule future visits. So you got to make sure that that's the case. What you may need to do is actually go through every source file for every patient and look at what was their last visit that's been completed. Also go in the EDC and look at that. If there's an enrollment log, you use that also, but those three, just like cross-reference those three things. And then make sure that the patients are scheduled for their next study visit. Make sure you have enough investigational product, enough IP, enough study drug on site. Sometimes those are reordered automatically, but sometimes you have to order those, right, Rami?
Yes.
So if you're a brand new coordinator just replacing someone at a high enrolling site, you may be running low on drug and you may not know it, and you should check that like on your first day. Another thing is lab kits. Again, those things sometimes are ordered automatically, but sometimes, again, right, you have to order them.
Not.
Usually
not.
The lab kits you have to order manually.
Yes.
So that's important. I mean, if you know that you have like a visit 8 coming up and you don't have any more visit 8 kits, guess what? I mean, that's something you should be checking on the first day that you take over. The academic answer would be to check a regulatory, but that's not as important right now. What you're doing is just trying to prevent a disaster from occurring, and a disaster meaning a patient misses a visit because no one scheduled their visit, or a patient misses a dose because you run short on IP, or you can't collect a lab specimen properly because you're missing a lab kit. So those are the things I'd be paying attention to that first week or two, and then go through everything else. And hopefully you get in touch with your monitor, let him or her know that you're taking over and you want everything to go smoothly. Also make sure you have IVRS access and EDC access, because if you're brand new, you may not have that. And before all the other stuff I mentioned, you're going to need IVRS access and EDC access like within that first day. And you should probably get those on your first day. Alright? So hopefully this helps. Thank you. Anything to add, Rami?
No, nothing.
No? Thank you, Periscope. How many people there?
2 now.
2. Yeah, they got bored. So thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Periscope. It's pretty cool. And everywhere else you can think of. Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. And take care.